Good morning, dear students. My name is Mohit, and I am your mathematics teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Today, we have completed the common factors and common multiples in the live session. So now, we will again revise it in this video lecture. What are common factors and common multiples? Observe the factors of some numbers taken in pair, and these type of question you will study in this chapter. So the question number 1 is, you can see, what are the factors of 4 and 18 like? So first you need to write the factors like 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4 because they can divide the number 4. And what are the factors of 18? You will see 1, 8, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 itself. These are the factors of 18 because they can divide 18. Now the numbers 1 and 2 are the factors of both 4 and 18. You will see over here. Let me mark it with a different color. You can see like number 1 and 2. This 1 and this 2 are the common factors in both the numbers. So you will see that they are the common factors of 14. So like this you have to write it. So this is the answer. Now let's come to the next question, that is, what are the common factors of 4 and 15? These two numbers have only 1 as a common factors. You will see that the factors of 4 are, let me explain you the fresh page. The factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4 itself. But what are the factors of 15? You will see that 1, it comes in the table of 1, in table of 3, 5 and 15 itself. So you will see that the factors of 15 are these and 4 are these. So how many factors are common in both the numbers? Only 1, that is 1. It means if the two or more than two numbers have only 1 as their common factor, if two or more than two numbers have only 1 as their common factor, that is 1, they will be called co-prime numbers. You will see two numbers having only 1 as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Thus 4 and 15 are co-prime. That is why they are saying 1 as the common factor. Now you will see over here some more examples of common or of co-prime numbers like 7 and 15. No common factor are there except 1, 12 and 49, 18 and 23, and these types of number are co-prime. Can we find the common factors of 4, 12 and 16? Yes, definitely. First we need to write the factors of 4 like 1, 2 and 4. What are the factors of 12? Like it comes in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the common factors of 12. Now what are the common factors of 16? You will see factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 because it comes in these tables. Now clearly you can see that 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 4, 12 and 16. You will see over here 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. You will see 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And in the 16 also 1, 2, 4. So in these three numbers, all the three given numbers will come. That is why 1, 2, 3 are common factors of 4, 12 and 16. So like this you have to do it. But now we will proceed to the next topic, that is common multiples. You will see over here, let us now look at the multiples of more than one number taken at a time. Now I have already told you how to write the multiple of any number or multiples of any number. So what you will do, if I asked you to write the multiple of 2, you just have to write the table of 2, so you will get the multiples. For example, if I say that write the multiple of 2. You will write it 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 2 3s are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, like these 12, 14, and so on. So these types of numbers are the multiples of 2. So what we can basically see, what are the multiples? You can basically read it like the table of any number can be written as the multiple. So like multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, like this. Write a few more. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So like this you can write few more multiples, as you can see. Now you need to take out the common multiple. So out of these, are there any number which occur in both the list? Yes, definitely. You will see over here 12 is repeating. Let me mark it with the different color pen. Let me mark it with yellow. You can see that 12 is common in these numbers. Okay, now you will see that 4 nines are 36. If you will proceed the fact multiples, you will see 36 will also come. So 36 is here also. So 36 also a common factor. So now you can write it like, we observe that 12, 24, 36 are the multiples of both 4 and 6. So there are some more examples based on the common multiples of the numbers. So can you write few more? For example, they are called the not for example, they are called the common multiples of 4 and 6. Now let us take another example. Find the common multiples of 3, 5 and 6. So what you will do, we need to write the table of 3, like 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, like this. Now what are the multiples of 5? You can write it 5 1s are 5, 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, similarly for 3 and 5 as it is. Now what are the common multiples in these? You will see that the common multiples of 3, 5 and 6 are 30, 60 and so more. You cannot write the whole common multiples because there are so many common multiples will occur in these numbers. Now write a few more common multiples of 3, 5 and 6, so you can write it in your notebook, so you can practice it. Now let us take an example like, find the common factors of 75, 60 and 210. So what we will do, we need to write the factors in which 75 will come. So these are the few factors. Factors of 60 like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 60. Factors are limited but multiples are not limited. They are unlimited. Factors of 210 are like these. Now you need to take out the common multiples. So what you will do, you will take out the numbers which are common in all the 3 factor lists. Like 1, 1, 1, you will see 1, 3, 3 and 3, this 3, this 3, not this, this 3, this 3 and this 3. You will say 3 also, similarly 5 and 15 also. So these are the common factors in these numbers 75, 60 and 210. So dear students, I hope that you like today's topic. And one more thing, that on the basis of factors and multiples, I will give an exercise to you, but for now you have to do exercise number 3.3 only. The exercise based on these questions will be given in the next live session. So all the best, students.